Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing the kneeling side bend on the Cadillac. So this exercise is like a kneeling mermaid. It's like a kneeling side bend. It is a really great teaching exercise for you to connect your arms to your back. So while it's got its own challenge to it, it's definitely one you'll come back to help you do other exercises, like anything here on the Cadillac. So you want to make sure that you're one arm's distance away. It's parallel. Right? I like to pull my heels together so I just get a little bit of a close chain action back there. I used to have to do this exercise with a ball or a block here to keep my legs active because they like to do a lot of things. And you can just start with a prep. You just push your arms down and up, both arms. And you should feel both wings turn on. This arm is as active as the spring arm. Now, when we go and do the bend, the bar moves because we bend. So the spine bends, and that's why the bar moves. And my inside leg always likes to get light, so I have to reach down through both legs and keep your hips over your knees. You're not trying to lean into the spring. Both hips stay over both knees. And after 3 to 5, you do the other side. So I'll show you from the back. So both arms are pressing. And then reach down through both legs and up. For safety, my thumb is on the other side of the bar, and that allows the bar to kind of push me back, shoulders over hips, and me to push back into the bar from my arm back connection. And again, after 3 to 5, that's all you need. And then go check out how your mermaids change, your star changes, your kneeling side kicks change, right? It all makes a huge difference. Side bend on the mat will be so much more improved because of this. So give them a try. Let me know how it feels in your body in the comments below. And if you want to work out with me, I do 50-minute workouts every single month at onlinepilatesclasses.com, OPC. So check it out.